Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today we're going to do one small class, a class in which I'm going to show you how to draw a door in AutoCAD. Basically I'm going to show you how to draw a two-dimensional door in AutoCAD. Okay, before we proceed in this class, before I start this beautiful class, I'd like to teach some basics in this class, because before learning AutoCAD, before learning how to draw a door, this door, this is our final product. So before we learn that, we need to understand something, something very important. What is that? In AutoCAD, we're learning AutoCAD. AutoCAD likes something, like for example, can I tell this is a clock, an analog clock? Can I say this is 12 o'clock and this is 6 and 3 and 9, isn't it? This is the center. So can I tell, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, isn't it? This you have to understand. In AutoCAD, AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. This you have to understand. Clockwise. AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. This is his likings. So what is the procedure to draw a what's the procedure to draw a door in AutoCAD? We're trying to draw a two-dimensional door. So what's the main thing? So first thing, we need to draw an arc, isn't it? We have to draw an arc. Beautiful. Second thing, you need to understand that AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. So for this you need to do something called as planning. Anti-clockwise, isn't it? So what is the thing is, we will consider this as the first point. So we're going to be drawing a 3-point arc. This will be the second point and this will be the third point, isn't it? I will show you both the cases in which this will be considered. Let's say this is part 1. In the other case, I will consider the other way around, in the sense what? I will consider this step as point 1. Which one? This is first. This is good. This will be 2. And this will be 3. So if you notice that in the yellow marking, I'm going what? Anti-clockwise, isn't it? And in the red or pink, we would say, whichever color this is, we will be going clockwise, isn't it? I will show you both the ways and you will see what is the final product. How does AutoCAD interpret it? Let's start. So what will be the first step number 1? So go to your arc command. Arc is where? John, arc is here. Excellent. Click this. So let me just click this arc and you will see one, the small arrow there. Click that. Go to this option, center, start, end option. Click that. Beautiful. So what we will do, I will just zoom. Click this point. This is called the hinge of the door, isn't it? Click that point. From there, click this point. Beautiful. Then what you do, see, that is number 2. I'm doing the yellow one, the anti-clockwise. Then what you do, go and zoom to this corner. So see, the door has been done, isn't it? Very easy, isn't it? So what's the story here? First point, second point, and then third point. So this much I hope it's clear. So let me just rub this whole thing, isn't it? We have another story. Let's take the other way around, where we will take it in clockwise. That means what? Let me just rub this. So what we will be doing is something like this. Just 1 minute. I will consider this as point 1. This is the center, isn't it? This is point number 2. Beautiful. This is point number 3. So what I am doing is I am going clockwise. You will see something special here. But always remember, AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. This you have to understand. I just prove it why he likes it. So take the same story, go to the R command, go to center start end, okay, click this point, okay, zoom, click this point, isn't it, and then click this point, okay. You will see that AutoCAD is playing around. Even it's not actually AutoCAD playing around. He wants to go anti-clockwise, even though I selected points which look like clockwise, isn't it? Okay, so I hope this is clear. We have a trick for us to make this clockwise. Okay, I just show you this in see this point. Okay, if AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise, but we are aliens, isn't it? We know how to control AutoCAD. Okay, but the rule is as follows. Okay, AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. Let me just do it in the anti-clock manner. Select this point, then this point, and then this point. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Okay, the doubt and the procedure how to draw a door in AutoCAD in 2-dimensional, isn't it? Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this class. Take care and let's keep moving forward. Take care. Bye.